Good day everyone. Our topic is all about exploratory data analysis and data cleaning of a customer purchase dataset, data cleaning, and exploratory data analysis. So, they turn messy purchase records into reliable information to understand customer behavior and support better business decisions. So, for our introduction, this introduction defines data cleaning, also called data cleansing or scrubbing. It is the process of finding and fixing mistakes, gaps, and inconsistencies in raw data. Its main purpose is to make sure the data accurate, complete, reliable, and ready to be used for analysis or making informed decisions. This section introduces the customer purchase dataset used for the project. It contains 40 records and 10 details about each transaction, including customer info, which is ID, name, age, email, gender, and country. Purchase details, amount spent, date, product category, and customer rating. And this is our data cleaning process with problem found, missing values, duplicate records, inconsistent categories, incorrect data types, and outliers. For missing values naman po, we have filled in using logical replacement. Example po dun ay median age, average, purchase amount, most common country or category. So for duplicates, found and remove repeated entries. And for inconsistencies, standards messy data, and ang example po dun ay made country names, uniform like USA, fixed gender labels. Our data types naman po, corrected formats, example po ay turned purchase date into proper date format, number into numeric values. And for outliers naman po, detected and extreme values, very high, low spending, and flag them for review, not automatically deleted.
Handling missing values. For missing numerical values, we use the media because it's less affected by extreme values. For categorical data, we use the mode. Missing email address, we were constructed using a standard naming format.
And our next topic is duplicate and inconsistent data. Number 1 is remove duplicates. Deleted identical repeat entries to avoid skewed results. Standardized gender. Unified inconsistent labels like M, F into clear consistent values, male or female. And number 3 is fixed country names. Converted different spellings and abbreviations, and the example is USA, US, and US, into one standard format, United States. And number 4, corrected text formatting. Cleaned up messy text like extra spaces or inconsistent capitalization for uniformity. All these steps make the data consistent, easy to work with, and ready to accurate analysis.
Data type correction and outliers. We converted data fields into proper date time format and corrected numerical columns. Outliers were identified but retained because they may represent important business transactions.
For exploratory data analysis, after cleaning the data set, we perform exploratory data analysis using different visualization to better understand customer behavior and purchase pattern.
Orange data mining workflow. We use Orange data mining to validate our Python data cleaning process. The workflow loads the datasets, clean it, and process visualization to verify our result. Ginagamit namin ang Orange data mining para i-check at i-validate yung ginagamit naming proseso ng paglilinis ng data gamit ang Python.
So, for our conclusion, data cleaning successfully fix errors and improve the dataset's accuracy and reliability. Exploratory data analysis uncovered meaningful patterns about customers' behavior. A key finding is that electronics was the most purchased product category. And the last one is the cleaned, high-quality dataset is now fully prepared for further work like building predictions, models, or deeper businesses analysis.